I think the market is still looking back at the US. We're doing a bit better at the moment. I think we're up about 0.5 ahead now. The futures were about 0.3, 0.2, so a bit better than what we thought. But I do think that the wipeout yesterday, we were down 1.2%. That wiped out all the upside for the week. We might end up a little further ahead. I think the market is still looking back to it. It was another disappointing day on Wall Street yesterday. And we also had the iron ore price weighing on things as well. That's fallen to now 122 US a tonne. Now, look, that's a lot higher than Treasury numbers for the end of the year, of course. Oil, though, is up. So you may well find stocks like BHP are lifted by that. We've got the National Cabinet meeting today, of course, and anything that encourages opening up of the economy, the market may look at positively. But otherwise, no, I think a little bit of a pause here.
Yeah, hard to see huge breakthroughs on internal borders, but I'm not going to live without hope. Meanwhile, annual results for the giant New Zealand dairy business Fonterra back in the black.
So some very good news for anybody invested in Fonterra. This New Zealand giant, it's actually had a Australian dollar $610 million profit. Now, that's a 1.2 billion Aussie turnaround after a couple of years of losses, actually. A new strategy being implemented. They are paying a 5-cent dividend, which is terrific. The shares, I think, are up 0.25% at the moment. But look, this is really interesting, the relationship that they have with China. And I think we'll see a lot of this, New Zealand companies taking advantage of this. A lot of their revenues came out of a food services supply in China. And even our listed company here, A2, they, when I spoke to them on their results, were saying, oh, look, they put their New Zealand hat on when they talk to the Chinese at the moment. So, yes, a very good day for Fonterra, big turnaround.